Planning a honeymoon is more than just choosing a destination. It's about crafting unforgettable moments in places that feel like your own secret paradise. While popular spots like Paris, Bali, or the Maldives often steal the limelight, there are lesser-known destinations around the world that offer equal, if not greater, beauty, intimacy, and charm without the crowds. These secret honeymoon escapes provide couples with the opportunity to connect with each other and with nature, culture, and experiences that are truly extraordinary. Colchagua Valley, Chile. Instead of heading straight to Santiago or the Atacama, explore the Colchagua Valley, a wine lover's haven tucked within Chile's rolling hills. Here, couples can sip exquisite reds, enjoy vineyard picnics under endless skies, and stay in cozy boutique hotels surrounded by grapevines. Horseback rides through the valley, hot air ballooning, and sunset dinners make this a perfect hidden gem for newlyweds who love wine and wellness. Giethoorn, Netherlands. Often dubbed the Venice of the North, this fairy tale village is laced with canals and rustic wooden bridges. No cars, no noise, just the soft splash of your boat paddling through tranquil waters. Romantic thatched cottages and flower-lined paths offer the kind of serenity that makes every morning feel magical. It's ideal for couples seeking peace, charm, and a picture-book setting without the tourist rush. Meghalaya, India. Move beyond the beaches and explore one of India's most overlooked treasures. Meghalaya is known for its living root bridges, misty hills, and secret waterfalls. Villages like Mawlynnong, deemed Asia's cleanest, or Davki with its crystal-clear Umnaghote River, offer unforgettable settings for honeymooners. You can take boat rides over glassy water, explore caves together, and sleep in bamboo cottages hidden in forested hills. Isle of Egg, Scotland. For those drawn to dramatic coastlines, moody skies, and raw natural beauty, the Isle of Egg is a remote and romantic getaway. Accessible only by ferry, this off-the-grid island is part of the Inner Hebrides and home to only a small population. Walk hand-in-hand across white sand beaches, hike to Enscore for panoramic views, and cozy up in eco-cabins surrounded by silence and stars. Takayama, Japan. Skip the cities and retreat into the Japanese Alps. Takayama, with its traditional inns, snow-covered streets in winter, and peaceful hot springs, is perfect for couples who crave culture, food, and calm. Explore wooden houses from the Edo period, try local Seikan cuisine, and unwind in a ryokan with private onsen baths and tatami mat rooms. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this journey through hidden honeymoon gems, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more unique travel ideas. Your support helps us bring you even more inspiring destinations. Now, let's explore a few more hidden gems to make your honeymoon unforgettable. To Suao Ocean Trench, Samoa. Imagine climbing down a wooden ladder into a turquoise sinkhole surrounded by lush gardens. This naturally formed swimming hole is the crown jewel of Samoa and offers an otherworldly swim unlike any other. Couples can enjoy the tranquility of the island, walk along lava fields, and stay in oceanfront bungalows nestled away from tourist hubs. Siquijor Island, Philippines. Known for mysticism and spirituality, Siquijor is not your typical beach island. It offers quiet beaches, healing waterfalls, and romantic sunsets with hardly another soul in sight. Rent a scooter and explore the island's lush interiors, visit faith healers, or enjoy a candlelit seafood dinner by the beach. Undiscovered, affordable, and perfect for adventurous couples. Matera, Italy. While most couples head to Rome or Venice, Matera stands quietly with its ancient cave dwellings and mystical beauty. Sleep in stone-carved rooms, wander hand-in-hand through winding streets, and dine by candlelight inside thousand-year-old grottos. The town lights up beautifully in the evening, casting a golden glow over the Sassi di Matera. Svalbard, Norway. For truly unique experiences, consider an Arctic honeymoon in Svalbard. Witness the northern lights, visit polar bear country, and sleep in lodges surrounded by glaciers. Dog sledding, snowmobiling, and icy fjord cruises will leave you breathless. This is a place for couples who want their honeymoon to be as bold and rare as their love. Every couple deserves a honeymoon that's as special and unique as their bond. These lesser-known escapes offer not just beauty, but a sense of discovery, seclusion, and intimacy. Whether you're sipping wine in Chile or watching the Aurora Borealis in Norway, the magic lies in sharing these moments together, away from the crowds and closer to each other.